Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to analyze Torrent Pharma. I will be analyze the stock in two time frame. First daily and then hourly. On the daily chart, can you see this breakout level? Just pay attention to how perfectly the breakout is going to happen. And why I am saying is that we'll start from here. This is a first retracement. This was a support level at 2400. From this very level, the stock tried to go into higher grounds, but it failed and it was pulled back. And the pullback was lower than previous one. I'll give you the level. The level is 2311. But after this pullback, just see how Torrent Pharma is making higher highs and higher lows almost every single day, approaching a breakout level. And also the volume activity and the size of the bullish candle is far greater than its bearish counterpart. Just pay attention to these three candles. This is a long range bullish candle along with increased volume activity implying buying pressure, and these two bearish candles have longer wick on bottom end implying buying pressure at lower level. If you combine all these factors, it says aloud that the breakout is going to happen. Talking about hourly chart, you will find another great candlestick pattern called ascending triangle. Let me draw that out for you. This is a resistance line. I am going to make it bolder and I will now draw a support line. I hope you can see it clearly. Don't pay attention to how precisely I am drawing the pattern. It's all about understanding how price is moving back and forth between ascending triangle. Here you can easily see how the low is getting higher, and more importantly, pay attention to this section here. There has been failed attempt thrice by sellers to push the price lower and they failed it completely. Now the support level is 2525. Can you see this? There are multiple wicks on the lower end. This is a support level currently in the ascending triangle. This support level is also getting elevated. The low here is more than, let me select a brush. The low here is more than, I cannot select it. Yeah. So low here is more than 2525. It is 2530 to be precise. And once again here 2540 and 2540 again. Which means that the support level is getting elevated, the high is getting elevated. The confluence of ascending triangle pattern on hourly chart and a amazing breakout price action pattern on daily chart, it is shouting aloud that the breakout is going to happen. Talking about the entry level, let me zoom out a bit. We can take the entry above high of this candle, which is 2564, and I can easily see the ultimate target to be 2600. I am going a bit conservative, but I do think we can see targets as high as 2650. So be ready for a big breakout in Torrent Pharma. Based on the analysis, these are the levels which I have arrived on. As you can see, we are going to take entry at 2568. Our stop loss will be 5 rupees and then I have given targets till 2630. If you have any question regarding this particular stock, you can ask me in the comment box or any other question for that matter. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy your Sunday. Thank you.